Hello and welcome. Now, in this question, we are going to solve polygon related diagrams. Now, over here it says we should calculate the value of s in each diagram. So, as you can see letter x in each of the diagrams. So, we are now calculating the value of the x. The first one, as you can see over here. Now, before you solve, you need to know the number of sides of the polygon. And the first one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of sides, which is n, is equal to 4. Now, as you know, the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon, the formula is given by n minus 2 times 180. So knowing that, let's replace the n with 4. 4 minus 2 times 180, which is going to give you 2 times 180, which is going to give you 360. So what you are going to do is that, because we know the sum of the interior angles is equal to 360, now we are going to add everything, all the angles in the polygon, and then we equate it to the 360 degrees. The first one, we have 2x plus x minus s plus 15, and then 3x plus 10, and then finally 85, which will be equal to 360. So now let's group like terms. 2x plus x plus 15 plus 3x plus 10 plus 85 is equal to 360. Now I have 2x plus s, which will give me 3x, and then another 3s, so I'm gonna have 6x. And over here I have 15 plus 10, which will give me 25, and I have 25 plus 85, which will give me 110, to be equal to 360. Now here I'll send 110 over here, so because it's a positive number, when it comes here it's gonna be negative, so 6x. And now 360 minus 110 will give me 250. I will divide both sides by 6, so I'm gonna have 250 divided by 6, and then that one will give me approximately 41.7 degrees. The next one, before you solve, let's know the number of sides of the polygon. Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore the number of sides are 5, so n is equal to 5. Now we are going to use the number of sides to know the sum of the interior angles of this polygon. So the formula is given by n minus 2 times 180, and then it's going to be 5 minus 2 times 180, which is going to be 3 times 180, and 3 times 180 is 540 degrees. Now we are going to sum everything in the diagram, and then we equate it to 540. So we have 2x plus 5 plus 4x plus 2x. Here when you're doing it, you have to be careful because you may omit a number or a letter. So here 4x and then 140, which should be equal to 540. Now let's group like them. I have 2x, 4x, another 2x, and then 4x. So that one will be 2x plus 4x plus 2x plus another 4x. The numbers are 5, then 10, then 140, which is equal to 540. Now 2x plus 4s is 6s, 6x plus 2s is 8s, and then 8s plus 4s is also 12x. Now here 5 plus 10 is 15, and 15 plus 140 is 155, which is equal to 540. Let's make this one a subject. So 540 minus 155. So 12x is equal to 540 minus 155, which is going to give us 385. So let's divide both sides of the equation by 12. Then you're going to have 32.1 degrees. So that would be for the second one. Now the next one, before you solve, let's know the number of sides of the polygon. So have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And over here the number of sides are 7. Let's substitute the 7 inside the formula, n minus 2 times 180. So we're gonna have 7 minus 2 times 180, and then it's gonna be 5 times 180, and 5 times 180 is gonna give you 900 degrees. So we go ahead and add the interior angles. Over here we have 2x and then 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5, here x plus 10, then also here 3x and 2x plus 25, and then here we have x plus 10, then we have 150, all will be equal to 900 degrees. Now let's group like terms. So I have 2x and then another 2x, so 2x plus 2x. Here I have x over here, so x plus 3s, then another 2x plus x, and then the numbers are here. I have 5 and then 10, then 25, 10, and then 150, which should be equal to 900 degrees. Now 2s plus 2s is gonna give you 4x. 4x plus x is 5x, and then 5x plus 3s is 8s. 8s plus 2s is 10s, and then plus s 11s. So here is gonna give us 11x plus 5 plus 10 is 15, and 15 plus 25 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50, and 50 plus 150 is 200. So here gonna have 200 is equal to 900. So we send the 200 to the 900. So 900 minus 200, 11s is equal to 700. We divide both sides of the equation by 11, and then 700 divided by 11 is going to give us 63.6. Now thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to comment on this video, like the video, and subscribe to my channel.